Dhruv, a lot of students have been, pouring questions asking about your preparation methods, your resources that you follow. So, can you talk about the books and resources you followed in chronological order?
Before around the time I met sir, I had done that at Sevarma and then I was doing Eroda because I think one of my seniors had given me a copy of Eroda. So I was doing that. And I had Krotov as well. But I hadn't done much of that. Then sir introduced me to Pathfinder, which was, pretty tough at that stage to start solving. But then somehow we started doing that, and then at some point, we were done with all the easy questions of Pathfinder probably. And at that time, we did all these IPHO and USA. They're pretty similar. We did those. And then we finished the rest of Pathfinder because like that 1 year when I wrote IOQP, as it was in that year.
In year 2020, like when
20,
he was in class
21. In 21.
Yeah, like,
so,
it was
okay.
like NSEP 2020.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
So right now we're talking about 10th grade, right? When
Yes.
you was in 10th grade,
Yes.
after completing HCV, you were doing Irodov, Krotov, but not in a structured manner. And when you came in touch with Chandan sir, you started doing Pathfinder.
Yes.
And once you started doing Pathfinder, you were able to go through all the easy ones. But before you picked the tougher ones, there was a stage where you solved US PHO questions.
USA and the Indian ones as well. But that year I failed very badly in both IOQPs, the first part of IOQP, whatever. But then after that, we finished the rest of Pathfinder, which was a big chunk, which was left. We finished that. And then I think since then I'm just doing papers which sir has translated, either from China or Russia, China. Yeah. Since then. And then obviously the Asian Physics Olympiad and International Physics Olympiad of past years.
So what I'm understanding is, apart from completing HC Verma, the book of HCV, both volumes, and partially completing Irodovs and Krotovs, right? Partially.
Yeah.
Or have you completed them completely?
At this stage, yes, but at that point, no.
Okay, at that point, no, but right now we can say that you've completed.
Yeah, around that.
Okay, and Pathfinder. Besides these three books, you have only done Olympiad questions, be it Indian questions, be it USA questions, be it China questions, or be it Russian questions. Am I?
Yeah, there are other books as well. Many good reference books are there, which also have problems in them. So I did those as well. And then there are handouts, obviously, of Jan Kalla, which are very, very famous, and Kevin Zhao, which are also famous. So read a few things from those. And yeah, the other books are like, they are reference books, which also have problems. So some of those I did, like Morin, Griffiths and all. There was a stage when I think sir and I were just doing Morin. Yeah, after when I just entered 11th grade. Probably.
Yes.
So what I'm understanding, Dhruv, is, dear listeners, students, parents, there is no secret recipe for success.
Exactly. So in fact, when you ask, like, did you think you would be here, etc., etc., I didn't know. I was just doing it, and you just do it.
Right. Perfectly said. So, as he said, there's no shortcut. When you're doing, you just need to keep doing. Every one of us hit roadblocks. Every one of us find a lot of challenges. Chandan sir just illustrated his story, how he translated Chinese Olympiad questions into English. And that too from PDFs. It's not a Word document where you copy everything and you place it in a Google Translator. So from images, he transferred that. So ultimately, any challenge that you are encountering, there is nothing which you cannot overcome. All what it needs is sticking to the task and trying. So that's the ultimate message I'm taking from you, Dhruv. Correct me if I'm wrong. Dhruv, usage of online tools. Students keep on asking, how should we use online as a mode? Any pointers there?
So the internet is a platter. It has everything. All kinds of cuisines are available on it. So when you want a specific dish, type that dish in the internet, you will get it. That's what I've done till date, and it works.
Isn't Dhruv amazing? Well, the biggest thing that I learned from this conversation is keep it simple. If you are passionate about anything, if you really love anything, then there is no secret recipe of success. It is just about keep trying, keep trying, keep trying, and keep it simple. So, my dear students, if you too want to go for gold, if you too want to bring gold for India next year, Vedantu is just the right place for you. We have dedicated Physics Olympiad courses starting with stage 1 preparation and going till international Physics Olympiad preparation. To know more details, you can check the video in the I button or the link in the description box. Wish you all the best. Take care.